one you gonna be?
I don't know. But so far you've won. You don't want to do it again because you won't get that good again. That's the best one. No one will come close to that.
You want to do it again?
No one will come close. So don't do it again. Otherwise you'll lose.
Straight ahead.
There you go.
Watch out for the wall.
There you go,
Pretty tall
Nana.
donkey.
There you go, Nana. Nana. Nana, wall toucher.
Right where you touch.
Wall toucher,
Get out your feeler
Nana.
glands.
Nana, you had the wrong side. You're a clown. You're a
Pretty tall
clown,
donkey.
Nana.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, and my tail's cocky.
Baby, you want to go put tail on?
Okay,
Come on, I'll hold
my
you.
turn.
I'm too tall.
You want me to film?
My turn.
What one?
You have to film.
My turn.
You're this one.
Here you go.
Daddy gonna do it now? Watch Daddy. Spin him around about 6 times.
No.
Dan, it's out of battery. Nate, what are you doing?
Spin him, Spencer. Spin him around. Spin him. Spin him around. Spin him around, Spencer. Spin him.
As soon as you touch, that's
I
it.
think he's trying to see through the blanket.
I do too.
Oh.
Getting close.
Didn't get a prize.
My
Spencer!
Didn't get a prize.
Did he get a prize? Spencer, what happened?
My turn.
Straight.
Straight.
Straight ahead.
Uh-oh. You can see, watch out. You step on your
No, you're headed in the wrong direction.
Why is it?
Go.
Go.
There you go.
Who's holding
Watch
the
out, he's gonna hit the wall.
toes. Wherever your forehead hits.
Watch out. Oh, he's getting pretty close to the tail.
Oh my gosh, there's a spider on the wall.
Woo, it's a big one.
Looks like you're trying to see something, Uncle Mike.
Can I get up, please?
Oh, owie.
That's the wall.
Put his eye out.
Okay, stop.
Straight ahead. Straight. Straight.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Allie. Happy birthday to you.
Go now, lady. Go.
Whoa! Very good, Allie.
Get that one.
Good job, Al.
Slide him again.
That's great.
Just a minute, let's slide him again so I get a picture.
You want to do it again,
Wow, you did a
Alexandra?
good job,
Lady, you gonna do
Allie.
it again?
Allie Hassenpfeffer. What are you doing, Spencer?
Ready, Andra?
Ready? I got
Here, get your camera ready, Mom. Wait, let's sing happy birthday again. Happy birthday
Oh my God.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Alexandra. Happy birthday to you.
Go. Go.
Blow, baby, blow.
closer. Go on,
Blow, baby, blow.
More.
closer.
Get closer, Glenn.
Blow, baby, blow.
Get closer.
Blow it up. Can you puff? Come on.
Blow.
More.
Blow, baby, blow.
Get down lower. That's it.
There you go, big blow.
Big rock.
Blow.
Blow.
Blow, lady.
Candle.
Turn the candles around. Turn the
Blow, lady, blow.
There's one.
Yay!
And Spence.
Wow, you made me do it twice.
Give me 5.
Yay!
Give me 5, Letty.
You want some? Do you want to eat some? Don't touch it, big balls.
That's your cake?
You can-
No, it's nummy.
Alexandra. You look down before I can catch your picture.
Yum.
Ning, what are you doing?
I'm holding Lily.
Give her a piggyback ride. Let's see it. Are you scared, lady? Are you getting down? Woo! Hey! Oh, everyone has to look. So we have a picture of nothing. Hey, go, Nate. Go, Nate. Go. Dance for us. That is a cool dance. You are a cool dude. Slow moving. Come back this way. Yeah, look at his feet go. Woo! Oh, yeah. What is that? The hokey pokey? Yeah. There he goes. Let's see the expression on your face. Wow, what is that look? Go, lady, dance. No, you gotta dance and then you look at it later. You gotta dance now and then we'll camera you. Lady. You say mommy. You're trying.
Mommy.
Okay. Okay, go dance. Let's get that. Dance together. Hold hands. Hold hands. Do ring around the rosies. Ring around the rosy. Nate, can you do ring around the rosy? Lady, do ring around the rosy. Twirl. Ring around the rosy. Box full of posies. Ashes, ashes. We all fall down. Fall down. Yay! We all fall down. Nate, you like the camera, don't you? Sudden burst of energy. Slow, slow, fast, fast, slow, 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 fast. Nate, that's a weird face. Can we see a nice natural smile? Are you a model? Can you take off her bib? Hello, sister. Sister Danielle. How's everything going? You look like a nun. Can you sit up and smile at me? Hi! That's a nice smile. That's a very nice smile. He's so cute. He's so cute. Oh, can we get the other one to smile? Two smilers? Can you sit up, Coley? Sit up. Hi, Coley. Hi, Coley. Hey. Hi, Coley.
was tired.
Coley only smiles if you make eye contact. Hey, Coley! You're having too much fun. You guys 5 months now? We gotta get a little camera shot of 5 months. Ooh, 16 pounds, 9 ounces. Oh, that's right. Chubby the one. Who's 15? Measly pounds. Teeny weeny. Who's tall? Who's short? Who's called Stubby? Oops. I don't think you're supposed to admit to that. Keep your head down. Guys are pretty funny. You guys are pretty funny. We can take that bib off her head so we
All I
can.
can say is I've got a girl bandana on, man.
Hey, Coley. Coley. Oh, there's her hair. Oh, look at that pretty hair. Okay, put them real close so we can see how similar they are. Oh, let me get closer. Oh, look at the little buddies. Oh, there's an eyeball right over Danielle's head. It's a cute little eyeball. Just poking it. Hi, guys. Hi. 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 Yee, I see smiling. I see smiling. Two smilers. Ooh, that's cute. Ooh, look at you. Danielle. Hi, Danielle. Hi. 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 Say night-night. Night-night. Okay, Coley. Say night-night, Coley. Night-night. How do you do the fade to black? Where's that button? Where's that button? Right here? Look here. Night-night. Do you have to do something? It says fader. We gotta hold it.
No.
Oh, it's not doing it. Medium fader?
Push off.
What?
Push fader and then push off.
Oh, then you push stop? Now it says medium fader.
Oh, there's medium fader too?
Oh.
This is Christmas morning. See how it takes shape? This is before the carnage. And we do expect carnage with these two little boys and a little lady love right behind me. Lady, say hi.
You need it, guys. Take turns rolling
Good
the dice and
girl.
moving. This is a game. This is a game we can play, guys.
See? This is before, and they're being so good.
It's a game.
And look it. O.W. She's taking care of the little teeny bitty bitty one. I thought she was going to feed that one. I guess it's not that
No, I
hungry.
couldn't find the bottle.
Oh, let me get it for you.
Okay.
Hold on.
The intention was there.
Yes.
Okay, now let's look where you got it.
Ah, bottle.
Where's
Yum. We will give it to her.
Is it? Okay, pages 14. No, that's not it.
Here, the grand one.
10.
You may feed your granddaughter now. The plump and pleasant one.
Eating? All right. Is who? The little cutie pie up there?
Lady,
All right, I'll help you.
say Merry Christmas. No, there's nothing to see. Oh, look at the little teeny one coming in. This is Madeline, cousin Madeline.
Uncle Dan. Say hi, Uncle Dan. Hi.
Hi, Cousin Madeline. Were you outside?
Okay, well, good you found it.
That's neat. Where are you going?
Where you got that from?
You're just wandering.
Go on
You
page.
think you're gonna go upstairs.
Is right.
You wanna go play with Madeline?
Yeah.
Go.
Page 3.
You can grunt at her.
Here's where you find the onion.
Come down.
It was there.
Come down. Jump down.
Okay, so go back to page 3.
Okay, go talk to Madeline.
Hi. Hi.
You be nice to Al.
That's very good, Alexandra. You're a sweet girl.
Christmas. You say, Allie, I love you. That's what you say.
Allie.
Allie, I love you.
You want to see? Okay. Let us go into the kitchen and see what is brewing. May we follow you, Senor Franklinheimer?
You may.
Thank you.
Let's get it ready, Tim.
Is she really the Australian guy?
Oh, that's so great.
What do you have prepared?
This is my lovely wife.
Oh, hello, lovely wife.
She's preparing a blueberry surprise.
Oh, I like anything that ends in surprise. What do we have concocted up in the brew?
It's blueberry pancake.
Oh, yummy.
See how thick?
Not too thick.
Did you get that on the video?
Yes, I did.
Good. I'm really glad.
Yeah.
You are a fine culinary skills.
Oh my gosh, Joe's gonna do a pull-up.
He's so in shape. Get that. That's a Christmas pull-up.
Video.
Do Joe that.
One.
The pull-up. I know he's struggling.